bit nervous, so bear with me. I know what you're thinking. That line works out. Wait there. Hello, little boy. Oh, you're a gal. I'm very close. I'm very close to Mr. Clayton. We have a very, very close relationship. In fact, I'm his friend. I did have a relationship once, with a female, but she left. It's a problem with dating caterpillars. There's just no longevity. But my name's Colin, like I say, and I live in school. Some of you may have seen me before. Yes. I don't really get much natural light because I live in the cupboard in G2. But through the crack in the door, I see things that make your stomach turn. So today, 11 Green are going to take you on a trip back in time as we explore some of our memories as we remember. Right there. Remember.
Good morning, girls. Go! Don't shout. It hurts my heart. Right, listen up for the fit list. Abercrombie and Fitch models.
Fit.
Ready from Skin.
Fit.
Aaron Johnson.
Fit.
Drake Bell.
Fit.
Steve Jones.
Fit.
Rick Edwards.
Fit.
Inti Guys on Train.
Fit.
Radio from the Lord of the Rings.
I like his ears.
Right, for today's lesson we will be discussing the inappropriate things that Mr. Clayton, i.e. I, have done throughout these past 4 years. Bring in the scroll!
Shine, scroll, shine, scroll, shine. It is gold, it is vast, it's the memory of the past.
Release the scroll! Act 1.
A time when Mr. Clayton asked Mr. Wilson for a massage. A while ago we had a number of people joining the class 11 Green. We had a return to teacher. Teaching. She was quite old. She fell asleep in our colour time. And then we also had the athletic Mr. Wilson.
Oh, I'm a bit stiff, girls, today.
Sao Shang Hao.
Mr. Wilson, give me a bit of a massage.
There was also a time during registration when Maria licked Mr. Clayton's butt. They were arguing over a scarf.
It's mine! No, it's my scarf.
it